The second you take a bite of this food, your body triggers an invisible energetic breakdown that lasts for over 30 hours.
It all starts in your mouth. Before you even swallow, your saliva deploys specialized enzymes to instantly dismantle the carbohydrate.
The food then enters a highly coordinated transport tunnel, pushed downward by a sequence of rhythmic muscular waves. Next, it plunges into a high-security chamber filled with highly reactive hydrochloric acid, melting the solids into a uniform liquid. This intense process transforms your meal into a highly concentrated, nutrient-dense fluid called chyme, ready for sorting. As this strong mixture enters the delicate next stage, your pancreas instantly shoots in an alkaline defense fluid to neutralize the heat. Welcome to the grand maze. Your small intestine stretches over 20 feet long, packed with millions of microscopic absorbing fingers. These microstructures, called villi, act like magnetic filters, drawing nutrients straight into your glowing vascular system. Everything absorbed travels straight to your liver, the ultimate chemical processing hub that filters and screens every single molecule.
The carbohydrates break down into glucose, rushing into your bloodstream and triggering a massive surge of instant physical energy.
To handle this sudden fuel spike, your pancreas releases insulin keys to unlock your body's cells and let the energy inside. Any extra energy that your body doesn't burn immediately is quietly packed away into highly efficient specialized storage cells. Hours later, the remaining elements enter the large intestine, where your body carefully extracts water to keep you perfectly hydrated.
It takes an unbelievable amount of biological teamwork just to turn a simple meal into the building blocks of life. Subscribe to @DocArisVeltron for more deep body explorations. Comment below, what food should Aris travel inside next?